This is the highest one-bedroom condo that you can own in Uptown BGC. It's on 45th floor, penthouse level, and this is Uptown Arts Residence. Hi investors, another day here in Uptown BGC. This is Simon, your property specialist from Mega World. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm giving you a tour on one of the highest available one-bedroom unit inside Uptown Arts Residence. Welcome to this 59 square meter one-bedroom on the penthouse level of Uptown Arts Residence. So this is gonna be your entrance. So sobrang ganda. So the door has a wood finish. And you have a digital lock set. So this is by Philip. And you have 3 ways access via keycard, code, and fingerprint. And this one is a video intercom na one way. So you can see the lobby. If you have a guest or parcel na ina-expect, you can see them. And on this side, this is gonna be your dining area. So you can put a 4-seater dining area here. And you have a view of Makati and Rockwell skyline. Ang maganda dito is yung floor-to-ceiling glass, so maganda yung pasok ng araw. And check natin yung balcony. So, you have a spacious balcony, and this is facing west, so that's Makati and Rockwell skyline. So, maganda yan kapag gabi, kasi umiilaw yung mga building. On this side, you have the first Japanese mall. So, this is Mitsukoshi Mall, and then the Grand Hyatt and the Landers. So, ang ganda ng view sa balcony. So from the balcony, let's go to your kitchen. And what's nice about it is it's already furnished. So we use top European brands sa mga appliances. So the countertop is made by Quartz. Plus you have a burner cooktop na kasama. 2 burner cooktop for a 1-bedroom. And you have a range hood. This is your faucet and sink. So this is by Frank. And maganda rin yung mga cabinets. So maganda yung finish ng cabinet. And malaki. You also have cabinets here, and then drawers sa baba. So, mga soft close siya na mga drawers. So, on this side, you can put your washer and dryer. You have a provision. And this is also included the 2-door refrigerator by Goren Hay. And then, on this side, so this is your living area. So, ang duwag, and ang maganda is yung mga floor-to-ceiling glass. So, sobrang aliwalas ng space. And yung mga kasama dito is the split type aircon. Ang ganda ng living area. So, I think you can put your sofa here para you have a view of the Makati and Rockwell skyline paggabi plus the Japanese mall. Kasi maganda dito paggabi. And on this section, you have the bathroom and the bedroom. Furnish ang toilet and bathroom. This is how it looks like. So, you have the shower set and the toilet. So, lahat kasama. So this is your bedroom. So it's very spacious, and what's good about it is the floor-to-ceiling glass. So you have a good sunlight na pumapasok sa bedroom, and what's included, you have a modular closet. So it also has a full-length mirror, and you also have a split-type aircon. Contract price is 27.2 million pesos, and you can have it with rent-own terms for 3 years at 0% interest. Of course, the biggest discount is for cash payment, and it's 16% off. And for available units, we have studio, 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and 3 bedrooms. So that's it for this condo tour, and I hope you like it. If you're interested, you can send a message on my Facebook. So this is my Facebook and Instagram. Also, you can send a message on my number through Viber or WhatsApp. Again, this is Simon, your property specialist from Mega World, and see you on the next one.